everyone, to another episode of AIME's Grow and Get It. I'm Tom Ahles, President of Growth with AIME. I've got my guy, Kevin Kennerson, with Lend a Hand Mortgage, based out of Tennessee. Kevin's going to share some things with us today. We got two topics we're going to touch on. As you guys know, we like to keep these kind of quick, but give you some good nuggets to take out in your work week to go out and grow and get it. Kevin, thanks for being here, buddy.
Yeah, absolutely, Tom. Glad to be here.
So Kevin, besides serving on one of our growth committees, Kevin's also, he's been established for quite some time. Lend a Hand Mortgage has been in the broker channel for, I think, roughly 15 years, if I'm not mistaken. Is that about right?
Yeah, 17 years.
17. I just saw that you guys had a birthday or a celebration of how long you've been in business. 17 years as a broker is astonishing. Kevin really is just a great person. If you don't know him yet, reach out to him. I can tell you he's helped me in my own business. He helped some of our growth committees. One of the things that we're going to talk about today is how utilizing lender relationships help you grow your business. And this is a perfect week for it, because this week, one of our main sponsors with AIME, UWM, is hosting a Bring Your Agent to UWM. Why don't you tell us about that and how you're utilizing that to help grow your business?
Tom, basically what we do is, for this one in particular, is bring a real estate agent to UWM. And UWM, basically, they spotlight, the services that a broker can offer the agent. And so it's really unique because agents, they go there, they learn a little bit about us, what we do, the back end, how to brand themselves, how to market themselves. And really, it's a great time because they get to see how big and powerful the relationship, our back office basically is. So it's, you've got 2,000 underwriters there willing to help. You've got all your support staff, and they see this amazing experience. They're like, wow, why would I want to go anywhere else besides, a broker channel, because they're utilizing UWM. It is really, it's one of those things that their eyes they're wide open, their jaws are dropped. It's a great time. So what we do is we actually brand it as, spend time with your company. It's a great bonding time that they can experience, ask questions to us as a broker. They lots of business conversations. They get to have a little bit of good time, like tonight, Tuesday night, we're going to go to a Detroit Red Wings game, spend some time there. And then on Wednesday night, we actually go to a dinner. So it's just a great time. They get to spend time with us. But UWM does a fabulous time. They make sure that, everyone is well taken care of, but it's just really good content, and we really enjoy it. So every month we actually take our agents there to UWM, and it's actually, we've got a waiting list. So people, they'll say, hey, I want to go on the next trip with you. And so we have to be careful. It's this next time we've got 24 people going out with us, but it's all, it's one of those things that, you have people, they see what you're doing and they want to be part of it.
Yes, it's strategic and it's smart. I mean, as a business owner, to utilize the relationships that we have to be able to help create an experience that's going to help get you more business. I mean, you're going out and growing and get it. I love it. You talk about, bring one agent, bring two agent. You're creating an environment that there's all the agents want to come with you. Kenny, you get to hear Matt Ishbia, who's, obviously he's a phenomenal speaker. He's a motivator. He's a leader in our industry. It's inspirational why I tune in every week on their Wednesday morning sales meeting. You get to take them and they actually get to see it live. And then you get to hear all of the support that they do. It was kind of fun because you and I had no idea that we're both going this week, and I'm utilizing it as well too. Although I don't have 24 agents. I'm going to take some notes again, as I always do for my Grow and Get It episodes, and really start utilizing that aspect of it. I mean, they have so many different tools, with whether it's, increasing your social media performance or, how to be a better leader. There's so many tools that our lender partners offer us that it's important to take advantage of it. So that's really, to me, really smart. No surprises. You've been doing your thing for quite some time and doing a great job at it. Speaking of which, on doing your thing, you're also a great originator, right? You run a great brokerage, but similar to me, you like leading from in front and originating business. It was kind of fun. I've joked with you about it all the time, but they had at Fuse, they had the big MMI board, and First it was my guy Major Singleton, and he's like, he gets to unicorn level. And then I get a text from Kevin. Oh, sorry, buddy. You just got knocked off of the top 10 list, which was fun. To me, I think that competition just gets us, it just gets us going and gets us excited. But the truth is you are a successful originator, right? You're a successful broker. You're good at your craft. What would you say is the one thing that you could give to our audience, or you could say that you're doing that differentiates you between the competition? Competition not only means within the retail division, but even the wholesale division. What are you doing that enables you to win?
I think the biggest thing is just making sure that we support our real estate agents. I don't do a whole lot of marketing outside of with my realtor partners. So the main thing that I do is knowing that this was going to take place with the recession looming, and 2021, I was like, hey, it's time for us to create a plan. We want to support the agents. When we know that our real estate agents and our partners are doing well, we're going to do well. So what we wanted to do is go ahead, put together a plan, and we put it into action, and touching as many agents as we possibly can as far as reaching out, putting them in a realtor base. I use Monday.com. Monday.com keeps everything in front of me. I know exactly what to do, who my contacts are, who I'm courting, who I'm actually getting, I've got really good relationships with. So I start with the ones that I've got relationships with. And basically I go to them and I say, hey, would you like to do a marketing collaboration? Would you like something that you can actually push out there on social media? So the main thing is that we're actually collaborating with them. We're giving them marketing ideas, because right now, 2020 and 2021 deals were falling in their laps. Now they're like, what do I do? And so it's one of those things, like, we're going to give them ideas. We're going to brand our programs actually with them, so they can actually push it out there on social media. And so they've actually, they stand out amongst their other peers, because they actually have programs. Let's say, down payment assistance for a single wide, down payment assistance for a double wide. Who does that? You've got to go to the broker channel to get stuff like that. And so that's really what we do. We give them actually content. So we'll actually put it together for them. And then we allow, they put it on social media. So whether it's Facebook, whether it's Instagram, whether it's LinkedIn, we give them content to put out there. So it's really a lot about marketing and giving them ideas right now, whether it's list reports or HomeBot, all these different things that we give them to help grow their business. So when we know that they're actually growing, we're going to grow with them. So that's the main thing that we do, is just really supporting them on the marketing side, to give them something that they can actually put out there. As we know, the more social media, the more content that you put out, the more audience that you've got. And it's one of those big hits, is that you've got to have content. You've got to be posting out there on social media, and that's what we do.
Makes sense. I mean, it's the oldest saying in the book: your network is your net worth. If you're helping them strengthen their network, giving them valuable information to where somebody sees, oh wow, I don't necessarily love all the programs that are out there. I'll say like 2-1 buy down. It doesn't matter what we think about it. The point is we need to be educators and explain it to them, and be able to have a conversation starter. So let me ask you, you're creating some of this content for them. Is it co-branded, or are you doing it strictly in their name?
It's co-branded.
Okay, beautiful. So you have, almost, I would say, like BNI for me or others that utilize it, you're empowering others to help advertise for you as well while they're advertising for themselves.
It really is. It's exactly that. So they, my name gets out there, their name gets out there, and it's a win-win for everyone.
So is that a weekly, I know you use Monday, but is it a weekly task that you're creating it and then just sending it to all of them? Is it one-on-one where you're talking to them and then delivering it? Just walk me through that process real quick.
Yeah, it's a pretty specific process. So we'll actually go through and we'll do a collaboration with them. We'll figure out what their demographics are. Are they catering to the jumbos? Are they catering to USDAs? Are they catering to, physician lists? Whatever it is, we're going to go out there and figure out what they're pushing, and then we create that content for them. So it really is, it's a one-on-one approach. And so we really keep, Monday.com, we can see exactly what's going on. It's a great workflow and task management. So we utilize that. So we know, okay, we haven't hit this agent. Let's go after this agent, make sure that they need, let's set up a meeting. And that's what's worked for us.
Man, it's smart. It's tangible. It's something that our audience can take out and grow and get it. Kevin, I always appreciate you, my friend. I think you're an amazing broker, a quality person. You help us out on our committees. You always bring a smile to my face when I see you. I really appreciate you. If anybody doesn't know, like I said, if you don't know Kevin, take the time and reach out to him. He's been around a long time. He's not going anywhere. I think we're right around the same age too. So I know you got at least 20 years left in this industry of continuing to lead. So thank you everyone for joining us for another episode of AIME's Grow and Get It. You can catch all of our prior episodes here on our Brokers Are Better Facebook, or go to our YouTube page at AIME National. Every week, noon Eastern time, 9 a.m. Pacific, we will be here, right here in the Brokers Are Better Facebook group. Hope everyone has an amazing week. Go out, grow, and get it.